Ash here. I'm doing a hecking baking, and this is gonna be loud. So ooh, that is moist. That is moist. I added too much water, and then I tried to fix it with flour and a little bit of sugar. That's probably fine. It should be a dough, but it's probably. Oh yeah, that's a big boy. That's a big healthy boy. Damn boy, you're thick. You need less water, you bitch. How the hell do I do this? How in the blue balls? Oh yeah, yeah. Who needs to do this by hand? Who needs to use flour when you can just stab it to stab and it comes off the sides? I wish I could hold this better. Oh my God, oh my Lord. Stab at thee. I stab at thee, Mr. Doe. Now, Doe, please come out. Please come out to play. I will leave that spatula in there. That's not gonna bite me in the ass, is it? My spatula. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good one. Oh, that stinks like yeast. I love yeast. Oh, what a yeasty smell. I love my smell of yeast in the morning. I do think this tin is smaller than my other one, but that is okie dokie artichoke. Now I wish I had a vibrator, because this would absolutely benefit from a vibrator, being able to just vibrate everything in place. God damn. Now let's get the rest of this dough out here. You know, is it a batter? Is it a dough? Is it in between? I don't know. Now let's just screw it. Come on. Come on, you bitch. Oh yeah, that's a good bitch. Oh yeah, that's a good girl. Oh yeah, you're a good girl, aren't you? Oh yes. What the heck? You bad girl. You bad naughty girl. Don't spill on my wonderful stovetop. I can't do the words today. Any of that stovetop does need a little cleaning, like right there. God damn. Let me just rub it off the. There we go. Just rubbed off some dough on the frying pan. Why didn't I clean that frying pan? I don't know. But now my finger is wet, so that should work just fine. Minimal stickage because I'm wet. That's usually what the women say, but I don't know, man. I don't know women. I can't understand them at all. What the hell? Now this I understand, this is just yeast and sugar and some banana. I love me some banana. And this becomes sandwich bread. Great for ham, but also fantastic for salami and spinach. Or even some, whatchamacallit, yellow bell pepper. Why do you think I have bananas? I already used 3 of them today in there. Then I ate 3 of them in my smoothie. And then we have this extra left over from the bunch. That's a surprise snack for later. You know, there's nothing worth salvaging in there. Nah. So, I'm supposed to shape this, but there is indeed too much moisture because I doubled the water in my recipe by memory. That's what I get for scaling the recipe and then going by what's in the parentheses instead of what was written before the parentheses. My recipes are wonderful, but when I'm doing some remodeling of them, you know, to improve them and make them the best they can be, well then it goes a little haywire. So, nicely moist hand, and that's just smooth. Oh yeah. Just do a little rub-a-dub-a-dub. Oh yeah. I hope that wasn't too much water, but it'll be fine. And that's gonna rise beautifully. Rub-a-dub-a-dub. Do I need some more water? No, I don't. So I'm just doing a smooth. The same trick I learned from my banana cinnamon buns. Yes. Or were they cinnamon banana buns? Who really knows? Who cares? But I'm going to say that's perfectly smooth. I guess. Get that dough out of here. Get that dough off of me. It seems like I have a cut on my finger from somewhere. That kind of hurts. That's weird. Anyway, time to be sanitary and, yeah, rub-a-dub-a-dub off my t-shirt. What does the camera even look like? Oh, perfect. So we're going to do the rub-a-dub-dub-dub-dub. Now, let's see. I got this foil here that fell out of its tube. Does it even count as a tube when it's square? I think that's good. Voila. Oh, let me just do a little and then attach it to the bit of dough that's stuck on the paper on the other side. Smart ass. That works beautifully. But now, crumple dimple. Yes. Do a little crumple dimple. And it's stuck to the dough on the back side, so I can just lift it up. It's loose. So now it needs to rise. Hey Google, set a 40-minute timer. Haha. Because it should rise for 30 to 4. Oh wait. Hey Google, set a 30-minute timer. There we go. Now I know in 30 minutes I turn on the oven to 175 degrees. Yes, perfect. And then after 10 minutes of preheating more or less, this thing goes in there. And after 30 minutes I pull off this sheet. And we know this sheet isn't very stuck on. The foil comes off easy peasy lemon squeezy. Man, that's a good hack. I gotta use that hack on purpose. Like you just take some of this, just put it along the outside of the parchment paper, and then you can stick the foil to that. Like, genius. That's a genius hack I just came up with. I'm a smarty pants. Anyway, I haven't tasted this. Nom 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 nom. For that. The sweetness is completely neutral. The saltiness is non-existent, even though I had two whole teaspoons, maybe even slightly heaped. That's weird. I'm tasting flour and banana, but the earthiness on the aftertaste, that's weird. Usually I taste salt. Usually that's one of the front flavors when it's in dough form. Maybe it's just that it's been sitting for so long, the salt has dissolved. So the big salt crystals that would provide flavor are now too small for me to easily detect them. That could be it. Either way, you're not here for the bacon, you're here for me being a goober, and I think I'm done being a goober, so I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my banana raspberry smoothie with some vanilla. Alright then, bye bye.